How do your lights travel so far without dimming or flickering? Welcome to another episode on How Do You? A series here where you have to answer basic questions as an electrician on how I arrest some of the problem that you might be facing. So back to the question on how do my light travel so far. To arrest this, I think I need to educate you on why this is happening. So I need to educate you on why this is happening. The number one cause of your light flickering is what we call voltage drop. Once you have concrete knowledge on why this is happening, you might be creative enough to arrest the problem in your own way. This is where we're getting our power source from. So now let's test it. What we have here is 24 volts. First of all, to start, let me just run with just one light first. Remember, from direct we have 24 volts. Okay. If you check what you're seeing right now is 19 volts. Let me show you something. I'm going to press the speed button. You see it will run down to this is the normal voltage, not 23. So look at when you get to the end, it will drop. Notice it's dropping already. Okay. Now we now have 19 volts. So we've lost about 5 volts for just one coil. Now let's connect all of them together. If you notice, it stopped right here. So to increase it, let me assume you know, but if you don't, to increase it, you might need to turn the light off. Then when it's off, hold down your mode button for about 5 seconds. And then this to reduce, this to increase. You can literally increase it. If you notice what's happening now, the light has already started flickering. Okay. Now, what you must understand is this is bright, this is dim, and this is dimmer due to voltage drop. So back to this. On both end of the LED, you're going to power it with your 24 volt power supply, which is your adapter or your LED driver. Beginning, your negative and positive. At the end, the same thing. So that is going to eliminate any voltage drop. But for this, we have 3 lights. What I'm going to do, I'm going to power each end of the light. So we'll have 3 wire here, 3 wire here. So that is going to eliminate anything called voltage drop, flickering, and so on and so forth. That's 1, 2, and 3. The same thing happens with non-running LED, which is the static LED. I really hope you've learned something new today. See you on the next